The 5 best Zline stoves. When it comes to choosing a reliable and high-performance stove for your kitchen, Zline stands out as a top contender. Known for their exceptional craftsmanship and innovative features, Zline stoves are a favorite among homeowners and professional chefs alike. With a range of models to choose from, Zline offers stoves that combine style, durability, and functionality. From their sleek designs to their powerful burners and advanced cooking capabilities, Zline stoves provide the perfect balance of performance and aesthetics. In this article, we will explore the best Zline stoves available on the market, highlighting their standout features and benefits. 1. Zline 30 Range Gas Stove and Oven Stainless Steel White Door. Strong and attractive kitchen cooking option. Robust front control panel, Italian-made hinges and burners. Porcelain cooktop and 4.0 cudotte to convection oven. Triple glass pane and dual lighting for improved sight. Burners range from 18,002 to 4,202. Efficient and accurate cooking with gas oven and cooktop. Comes with a 1-year guarantee and EDL certification. 2. Zline 36 Range Gas Stove Oven Stainless Steel Champagne Bronze. Stylish addition with dual lighting and front control panel, stainless steel frame, porcelain top, Italian-made hinges and burners. 6 electronic spark ignition burners for efficient cooking. 4.6Q. To convection gas oven with triple glass window and dual lighting. Various 2 levels for burners and gas oven. Dependable solution with 1-year guarantee and EDL certification. 3. Zline 36 Range Gas Stove Oven in Stainless Steel Matte Black. Stylish and practical choice with dual lighting and front control panel. Stainless steel frame, porcelain top, Italian-made hinges and burners. 6 electric spark ignition burners for efficient heat. 4.6Q. To convection gas oven with triple glass window and dual lighting. Adjustable 2 values for burners and oven. Dependable solution with 1-year guarantee and EDL certification. 4. Zline 30 Range Gas Stove and Oven Stainless Steel White Door. Fashionable and dependable kitchen equipment. Compact dimensions. 30 x 27.38 x 36.8. Dual illumination for good visibility while cooking. Stainless steel frame, porcelain top, Italian-made hinges and burners. 4.0Q. To convection oven with triple glass window and dual lighting. Various 2 values, including 18,002 twin wok burner. Efficient cooking with gas oven and gas hob. Comes with a 1-year guarantee and EDL certification. 5. Zline 36 Range Gas Stove Oven Durasnov Stainless Champagne Bronze. Beautiful and functional. Kitchen appliance with spacious dimensions. Dual illumination and front control panel light switch. Sturdy front control design for simple operation. Power requirement. 110 V 60 is 15A stainless steel frame, porcelain top, Italian-made hinges and burners. 6 burners with electrical spark ignition for accurate. Conclusion. These Zline stoves combine design, utility, and dependability to elevate your culinary experience. Whether you're a professional chef or a passionate home cook,